Hi Pre-K, it's Miss Becca here. And today I wanted to talk to you about something that I've been wondering about today. I went to the store to buy some plants for my garden, and this is one of the plants. And I was looking at it and I was wondering about the different parts of this plant and what they were called. Plants don't have arms and legs like we do, but they have other parts. So what do you think some of these parts are called in a plant? So I think the best way to do it is to maybe open this up because this plant is growing out of the dirt. So let's start from the bottom and see what part of this plant is under the dirt. I'm going to take it out. It's going to be a little messy. I'm going to take it apart. So the bottom part of a plant, the part that's under the dirt, under the soil, is called a root. Let's see if we can see the root here. It's a little bit dirty. I'm going to hold it up. This is the root of the plant, and this is under the dirt, and this is the part of the plant that sucks up all of the water and the minerals that help feed the plant. This is called the root of a plant. Now there are other parts of a plant here. These are the leaves on a plant. They're usually green, they're kind of soft and smooth. And then in here, we have a stem. Stem is also green, but it's a little bit harder, and it's what sucks up that water and those minerals from the roots, and it brings it up to the flower. Okay? The leaves help get food, help make food from the sun and feed it to the plant. And then way up here is my favorite part. Who knows what that's called? That's the flower on your plant. And sometimes flowers turn into fruits or vegetables, and inside there'll be seeds so that you can make more of the same plant. Now this is a daffodil, and it's a flower. I'm going to put this over here, and right now I'm going to show you this picture that I made. And you all have all of the materials to make the same picture at home, so I would love for you to do that and then send me the pictures when you're done. So this is where we started. This is the root. It's under the dirt. That's the word root. And then this is the stem that brings the water and the nutrients up to the flower. These are the leaves. Some plants have just one or two leaves. Some plants have lots of leaves. And the leaves help make food for the plant. And then way up here you have the flower. And inside the flower there's seeds, and sometimes the flower will turn into a fruit or vegetable. This is the word flower. And flowers have parts called petals on them. So I'm going to put this back here, and the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to take apart some of these flowers and talk about their parts. So let's see what we have here. So this is my rose that we talked about this week, but it's starting to wilt. There's no root on here. When I bought them in a bouquet from the flower shop, the root was gone because the root can be really dirty, and I didn't want the dirt to be in my bouquet. But let's look at the rest. Is there a stem on this flower? Yep, there's the stem. And then these are the leaves. So I'm going to take off the leaves, and I'm going to put them in over here where it says leaves. I'm going to sort the parts of my plant out. And then oh, there's a few more leaves on here. And then I'm going to look at these. What part of the plant is this? It's the flower, and these are the petals of the flower. So I'm going to take them off. And this is something you can do at home if you have flowers that you're allowed to kind of pick apart and look at. It's a great way to study the flowers. So these are the petals or the flower part of the plant. So I'll put those over here. There's a lot of petals on this rose, huh? We'll take them apart. I wonder what it looks like inside of there. Let's peek. Ooh. There you go. And that is where you would find the seeds to your flower. So I'm going to take this part off. That's all part of the flower. And remember, this is called the stem. So I'm going to put that over here where it says stem. Let's look at one more. Oh, look at these. These are different flower, but they still have a stem. They still have some leaves. I want to take the leaves apart and pay attention to how they feel. And then let's look at this flower. I'm going to take the flower part of the plant off. I'm going to show you the petals. There's lots of little blue petals on this daisy. Look at, they come off. I wonder how many petals are on this flower. I'm going to put those petals over here in my pile of petals. I'm going to smell it. Ooh, it smells good. I'm going to put the flower part of the plant over here. And then this part is the stem. So I'll put the stem over here. So you can do this at home if you have some flowers. Maybe you can pick up a bouquet of flowers from the store. Maybe you can go outside and pick some flowers and you can study them and take them apart and look at them. So thank you for playing with me today, Pre-K. I hope you're having fun with your flowers and your garden plants. I will see you soon. Don't forget to send me your picture after you make it. Bye.